All right, so today we're gonna go over the ROLA roof basket. And the reason I want to do a video on this is actually because I've had this on this car for probably around 5 or 6 years now. So longevity wise, it's been great. It's had stuff strapped to it. It's carried loads of almost 300 pounds. And it also came with an extension, which it's pretty nice. It was a package deal, right around 165, 170 bucks. And it's worked out really well. And it's actually, it's got a really easy mounting system. So first, I'll climb up here and I'll start showing you some stuff. So as you can see right now, I have a spare tire strapped to it. But even with this tire's been on about 2 years, and it's no issues, hasn't slid around, hasn't caused it to move. The mounting system is an easy little bracket that goes over, and then let's see if I can get under. You just twist knobs on each side to tighten it, and then it has a little shield to keep whatever you have up here covered, kind of. I mean, it's not a full shield or anything. So a lot of people complained about it because they had rust issues within the first like 6 months. So there is some surface rust on here, and this rack right now does not have the extension on it. But the rust issues, I mean, the minor surface rust, it took years to happen on this thing. So I was up in the north with this truck for about 3 years. So this rack was on there the whole time. So even with the salt, the snow, and all the other stuff, this is the most surface rust it's had. I've never painted it. I never added sealant to the holes where the extension goes. And so, as I said before, this rack actually came with a extension. It's a 15-inch extension, which I never used. I still have it at home. It's in my shed, but it does make the rack 15 inches longer, which is kind of nice. I'm not sure if it would bow any between the mounts. You could always move the mounts a little, the crossbars out, but yeah. So as far as mounting it was really easy. Like I said, easy mounting system, took a couple minutes. It doesn't slide around, doesn't move around. It's got little rubber bushings underneath the mounts so you don't damage anything. Like I said, I've had stuff strapped to it and I've had no problems with it bending, you know, breaking, any of that stuff. So I'm unsure if I'm gonna keep it on, just for the reason that I switched the wheels out. I did go to, before I had a 35-inch tire and off-road wheels, and now, you know, these are more for look. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it on or take it off. But if you are looking for a rack, a good rack that you want to mount on your Tahoe, like I said, this is perfect on the crossbars or any other vehicle that has a flat style crossbar. The ROLA rack is a really good one, and then like I said, it comes with the extension. So if you want it a little bit bigger or you want to keep it small, you have two different options. If you're putting something bigger on there, like tough cases, a tire and tough cases, you can always add the extension, and then you could put a large tough case on there, strap it down, and have no worries. Like I said, 170 bucks, and 5 or 6 years later, still holding up perfect. So I hope this helps somebody that's looking for a cheaper rack, a easy to mount rack, and one that they know is going to be reliable for years to come. So if this helps you, let me know. I'll also put a link down on the bottom if you want to view it. Mine came as a package deal with the extension. I did look a little bit earlier before this video. I noticed that some companies sell it separate. So I'll put a link below for both of them if you want to check it out. And if this video helps you, just let me know. If you got any questions, drop them below and I'll answer. Have a good one.